Hi gang, it's Rich here, novice guitarist extraordinaire and guitar addict. The game day told me to put the pick guard back on. I'm doing as I'm told. I like it actually, I think it's better. I've got the Fender Mustang LT25 and it's not on any channel, it's just as is. I've got the gain, the bass and the treble at 12 o'clock. I just wondered what this sounds like. Rings out well. Good sustain, I think. So, dearie me, really needs some new strings. I keep tuning it, and then 2 minutes later it's back out of tune again. So not annoying. But these strings, you can see my little fingeroonies here as well. They're cutting into them, filthy. Anyway, that was a bridge on the neck. This is just on the neck. And then on the bridge on its own. Oh, horrible. So my thought is that the neck is muddy. Really? Yeah, it's muddy. It's not. I mean, I've got the tone right up on the guitar and it just sounds muffled, doesn't it? Bridge is good. Ooh, horrible. It's language. Come on, Snark. Hello, anybody in? Oh, there is. Oh, where's the G string? A bit better. So, my early thoughts on the pickups are the neck is a bit rubbish. It's muffled and dark, and well, it's not in dark, it's just yeah, muffled really. So that's not great. Bridge is all right. Don't mind the bridge. Yeah. So let's just take this off a second. Whilst you're here, if you're still here, well done. You made it to 4 minutes. Let's plug Mr. Jackson in, not Michael. And what's the neck on this one like? That's better, isn't it? I think. It's sort of dark and moody, but not as muffled. It's a bit, yeah, it's a much clearer mud. Anyway, sorry, this is about the Harley Benton. So I'd be interested to see what you think, what you say on the comments, because yeah, when you've got the amp just pretty much showing what the guitar sounds like on its own. Yeah, it sounds like someone's got a I don't know, put a blanket over the speaker or something, doesn't it? It's not awful, is it awful? Anyway, there we go. Just a quick tongue test of the Harley Benton SC-500 on the amp with it. Yeah, just going with the gain, bass and treble, all at 12 o'clock. So it's yeah, no effects. Yeah, let me know what you think, and I'll catch you on the next one. Have a good weekend.